In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Discord Guild server. By the end, you'll have a fresh server ready for gaming, complete with the right channels, and the bots you need to keep things fun and organized. Start by looking at the left side of your Discord app, where you see the list of servers you've already joined. Find the small plus icon there and click it. This is your shortcut to creating something new. When the setup window opens, choose the gaming template. Templates give you a head start with pre-made channels and categories tailored to what you're building, so the gaming option is perfect if you plan to chat, team up, or share clips with friends. Next, Discord will ask who this server is for. Choose whether it's for a community or just for you and your friends. If it's a close-knit group where you'll mostly hang out and play together, go with the friends option. Simple and quick. If you expect a larger audience, public events, or you want structured tools for moderating and welcoming new members, the community option is better. It unlocks features designed for bigger groups and makes growth easier down the line. Once the server is created, you can start shaping it to fit how you play. Think about the channels you actually need. For text, consider a general chat for everyday talk, a strategy or build discussion space, and a place to share highlights or screenshots. For voice, set up a main lobby for casual conversation and a couple of game-specific rooms so squads can jump in without talking over each other. Organize these into categories, like lobby, team play, and media, so everything's easy to find. Rename channels to match your games or style, and add short descriptions so new members instantly know what each space is for. Now, add the bots that match your goals. Moderation bots help keep chat clean and manageable. Utility bots handle roles, reminders, and basic automation. Music or soundboard bots add a bit of fun during late-night sessions. Whatever you choose, stick to trusted sources, review the permissions you grant, and keep the list lean so your server stays fast and simple to use. Before you invite people, do a quick test. Send a message in each channel, hop into voice to confirm your mic and roles behave as expected, and tweak names or categories until the layout feels natural. And that's all. You've created your Discord Guild server, picked the gaming template, chosen the right audience type, and set up channels and bots that fit your group. Enjoy, and have a great game night.